Hi everyone. In today's session, we will answer one interview question, and today's question is how to open a new tab in your Screen browser in Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So what do you mean by tab? Let me show you. Let's launch a browser, and this is the default page. And if we click on this plus button, we will get one new tab, right? So this is a new tab. Okay. This is called tabs in browser. So today the question is how to open a new tab in Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So in Selenium WebDriver we have two methods to open a new tab. First is you can use using send keys. Okay. You can find any element on your web page. Okay. And by let's suppose ID. Okay. Pass ID here. And after finding any element on your page, you can use send keys. Okay, send keys. In send key, you can pass keys dot control plus T. Okay, so sometimes this method work to open a new tab. Let's suppose let me launch Chrome browser. So this is my only tab in my browser. If I press Control T, okay, Control plus T, it will open new tab. Okay, so I am using shortcut Control key plus T. Okay, it will open a new tab. So same here, if we find any element on the browser, okay, and use send keys method, keys dot control plus T, it will open a new tab on your browser. Okay, so actually while implementing this in our projects, I faced that sometimes send keys don't work. Okay, so in that case, I will suggest it's better to use JavaScript executor. Okay, we should not use send keys. Okay, sometimes it's fail on some browsers. Okay, so next option is JavaScript executor, and it never failed. I'm using Selenium from last 3 to 4 years, and to open a new tab, we always use JavaScript executor, and it never fails. Okay, now let me write code for JavaScript executor. How to do that? JavaScript executor, create one instance of JavaScript executor, and put a reference here. Okay, and here you need to pass a driver object, WebDriver object, and js.execute script. Okay, in this you have to pass window dot open. Okay, after open method you have to pass semicolon here. Okay, because this is complete JavaScript code. So and then pass semicolon. So using these two lines you can open a new tab in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so let me show you one practical example how to use JavaScript executor to launch a new tab in Chrome browser. Okay, so I'm already having Eclipse installed and launched. So this is my Selenium project with the testng and Java configure. Okay, so I will create one new class here. New class, name as demo, new tab functionality. Okay, so we will get one test case here. Demo, new tab functionality. Okay, so showing somewhere we need to import testng. Okay, test annotation. So we will automate Chrome browser. Let me create one driver of Chrome browser. Okay, let me set the system property, system dot set property. Here we need to pass the driver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, and we'll pass the exe path. So I'm having exe in my resources folder. Chrome driver.exe, properties, copy path and paste here. Okay, so we are now able to launch one Chrome driver. Okay, Chrome browser. Let me launch one site. We can launch any site. I will open stackoverflow.com. Okay, .com. Okay, so it will launch Stack Overflow website on Chrome browser. Now we have to open a new tab on the same browser. Okay, so to do that, let's create one JavaScript executor instance. JavaScript executor. Okay, just name it JS is equal to JavaScript executor. Okay, and in the end you have to pass the driver here. Okay, so it will create one instance of JavaScript executor JS, and now you have to write js.execute script. Okay, and in this you can pass a single argument only. Just remove these two arguments and pass just JavaScript, that is window.open. Okay, and put semicolon here. Okay, if you don't put semicolon here it can fail, so put semicolon at the end. Now these two lines will open one new tab on the same browser. Okay, so let me show you first of all this functionality. I will put debug points here to show you. Okay, let me run this scenario and I will show you the output. Okay, so let me minimize it. Let me close this, and right now I'm not having any Chrome browser. So let's run the code. I press F11. So it will start the code in debug mode. So now this line will driver.get method will launch the stackoverflow.com in this browser. So let me press F6. Okay. So guys, have a look here. In our browser, we are having only single tab, right? We are not having any other tab. Okay. So only single tab. Once I perform this step, we will get one new tab here. Okay, so let me press F6. Okay, now this line js.execute script window.open. Okay, it will open one new tab here. Have a look. We got one new tab. Okay, so this is in this way you can open a number of tabs. js.execute script window.open. It will open a number of tabs on your browser. Okay, that is supported by any browser. Okay, so this is the method to open a new tab in your browser. So we have verified this thing for Chrome browser. Now we will verify this code for Firefox browser. We'll see that this thing is also working fine with the Firefox browser. Okay, so we need to just change these two lines. Okay, we have to just create one driver of Firefox driver. Driver is equal to new Firefox driver, and we need to set system property as system dot set property, and in this we have to pass the driver dot Chrome dot for Firefox we need to pass Gecko driver. Okay, and in this we need to pass path of Gecko driver.exe. So this is the path of Gecko driver.exe. Right click here, properties, and copy this path and paste here. Okay, so yeah, now we can launch Firefox browser. So let's run this code and see that it's working fine for Firefox browser also. Press F11. So it will launch Firefox browser. One second. Yeah, it will launch Firefox browser. And click on this Yeah, it's launching stackoverflow.com. Okay, and now in the next line, line number 19, we're just getting the handler. Okay, line number 21 and 22 will open new tab in this browser. Okay, have a look. We got one new tab in this browser. Our previous tab was Stack Overflow. Now we got one new tab in this window. Okay, so this code is also works fine on Firefox browser. Okay, let me close. Let me close the browser. Okay, so we have checked that this JavaScript executor code is working fine on Chrome browser as well as Firefox browser. Okay, now let's see how to open some website on new tab, right? So let me show you again. Let's suppose we are on Chrome browser, right? In Selenium WebDriver, when we launch any site, by default focus is on this default tab, right? And when we open one new tab here, okay, so when you press Ctrl T or you just send JavaScript executor method to execute script like window.open, it will create a new tab here. Okay, but on UI you will see that this tab is activated. Okay, but from Selenium side, Selenium is still operating on this previous tab. Okay, if you want to open some content here, you need to switch to this handle. Okay, so Selenium has the front handler for this tab and the front handler for this tab. Okay, by default Selenium has handler on the old tab. Okay, so you need to get that handle of new tab and you need to switch to that handle, and after that you can perform some operation on this tab. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So we got the handle for older window, that was this one. Okay, and now we will try to open one website on this page. Okay, this empty page. Let's first of all let me show you. Okay, if we directly try to open after performing this JavaScript method, if we directly try to perform some driver dot get. Okay, and let me try to open yahoo.com. Okay, in the previous tab we were having stackoverflow.com. Okay, and using this JavaScript code we will open one new tab. Okay, and as per the code sequence, if we perform driver.get, it should open yahoo.com on the new tab. Okay, but it will not behave like that. Okay, let me show you. So we will use Chrome browser here, and okay, so let me debug this script. Let me show you, and demo new tab.java. So I will press F11. Let me close the older browser. So this is my new browser. So it Chrome browser is launched. So I will press F6. Okay, it will launch stackoverflow.com. Okay, now we are getting the handler of this window. The handler of this window is A432FB, like that. Okay, this is the handler for this window, and now these two lines 21 and 22 will open one new tab here. Okay, have a look. So we got one new tab on the Chrome browser, and from UI you are seeing that this new tab is activated here. Okay, this is the like a focus tab. But if we try to use this driver.get method, okay, it will not launch this URL in this new tab. It will launch the URL on the older tab. Okay, that is not visible right now. Okay, this one, because right now WebDriver object is performing all the operations on the original handle. Okay, that was older handle, that was representing this tab. Okay, now for this tab we need to get the handle. First of all let me show you. Let's execute this statement and see that whether it will open this URL on this tab or this tab. Okay, let me press F6. So we are getting something. Yeah, we got some error. Let me show you what is the error. That's console. Yeah, this URL is not correct. Okay, we need to pass a particular URL. So let me close the browser and let me run the scenario again. So I will press F11, minimize the screen. So this code will launch URL, and this code will open one new tab here. Okay, so focus is on new tab, but we were verifying that whether this driver.get method will open URL, this yahoo.com URL will on this tab or this tab. Okay, let me try this. Have a look. It's launching yahoo.com on the previous tab, right? So that means from UI we are seeing that this tab is activated. Okay, but from Selenium side it will works on the active handlers. Okay, so default handler is this one. Okay, that was the parent handler. Okay, so now if we want to switch to this window, this tab, and want to perform some operation on this tab, okay, let's suppose we want to launch some website here. Okay, how can we do that? So we need to get handlers for that. Okay, let me stop the code, we will run it again. Okay, so first of all we need to there's one method, driver dot get window handles. Okay, I told you get window handle is just for getting the handler for current window, and this is for get window handles. It will return you a set. Okay, a unique set of all the handles. Okay, it will return all the windows handles that are open. Okay, so we will use this method, and we will use set of type string. Okay, and we pass handles. Now we got handles in this. First of all we need to solve this error. It's saying import set. Okay, we will import that, no problem. Now we got all the handles in this set. Okay, now how will you switch that? To switch to different handles, we have one method, that is driver dot switch to dot handle. Okay, switch to window. Okay, so in this we have to pass the handler here. Handler is just a string value. Okay, that is uniquely identified. You can pass here. Now from this set, how will you get the handle of last tab, right? We have opened one tab that was opened when we launched the browser, and we opened one new tab. So we are having two handles in this set. Okay, so we can use for loop for that. For loop we can use string as handles. Okay, and in this we can use driver dot switch to dot handle. Okay, switch to window, sorry, and we can pass s. Okay, here we can use handle variable instead of s, handle name, and we can use same variable here. Okay, now when Selenium will execute, or you can say Java will execute this loop, first of all it will read all the handles. First argument will be the handle of the original tab that we got when we launched the browser, so it will switch to that window, and in a loop again it will get the second argument, that is handle name of the second tab, and when we exit from this loop, so we will be having handle of second tab. Okay, and when we will after that when we will use driver.get, this will launch this URL on the new tab. Okay, let me show you again. So let me minimize the screen and press F11. Okay, have a look. It will launch browser and URL. So have a look. Right now we are having only one tab. Okay, so now this code will open one new tab here. Have a look. We got one new tab. Okay, now we got line number 26. We will get all the handles. Okay, press F6. Have a look. We got two handles, right? So we are having two tabs here in our browser window, and we are getting two handles in this set. Handle number one is 31F8 and handle number two is 1166. Okay, now we will use this loop to just switch our control to the last handle. Okay, we can do that. So it's 6, and yeah, have a look. Now our focus is on new tab. Okay, now if we use this driver.get method, it will launch this UL in the new window. Okay, let me try this. Have a look. It's launching UL in the new window. Okay, so in this way you can use handles, these handle methods. Get window handle to get the handler of current window or current tab, and so get window handles will return you the all the handles that are active in your Selenium session. Okay, yeah, in this way you can use you can open a new tab in your browser, and you can switch between these tabs. Okay, this is the method to switch between these tabs. Okay, if you are having multiple tabs on your browser, you can use these methods to switch between tabs. Okay, and I have shown you one example of how to switch between these handles. Okay, and how to open URL on a new tab. Okay, so guys, that's all for today's question, and if you have any questions, please ask in comment section, and thank you so much.